Hi guys, today we are going to get access this video relevant to English grammar like phrases, clauses, and what are the clauses, what are the phases, and what are the conditionals, and what are the modifiers, and what is determinants, what is the quantifiers. Now we will check each and every topic by step by step. Now first we will think phases and clauses. Both phases and clauses are the very major element of an English grammar. Clauses are the center of the sentence and phrases will center the sentence to become more meaningful. A phrase is nothing but a small group of words that form a meaningful unit within the clause. Example, a noun phases. It is usually assembled at the center or a single noun or the word as a subject. I like to swing the bat. Swing the bat we consider as a noun phrase, and reading novels is a good habit. Reading novels we consider noun phases. Adjective phases. It is compared to as an adjective and who is a single adjective within a sentence. Like Alex is well behaved. No, well behaved man. We consider this well behaved as an adjective phrase. An adverb phrase. It modifies the verb or adjective verbs as adverbs within there. I was in a hurry then. I was a hurry then. He walks very slowly. He walks very slowly. Very slowly we consider a hurry. Then we consider these two as adverbial phrases. Prepositional phrase. It always begins with a preposition. In the end, we all have to die. In the end, we consider as a prepositional phrase. And conjunctional phrase. It works as conjunction in a sentence. As soon as you go in, he went out. So now we move to another topic, which is a clause. A clause works which includes one subject and a finite verb. I graduated last year. We consider this as a clause. And there are majorly two types of clauses: dependent clause and independent clause. Independent clause, it functions on its own and make meaningful sentences. He is a wise man. I like him. So this we consider as independent clause. And dependent clause, it cannot function on its own. I know him. Who stole the watch? Okay, this is an dependent clause. So now we move to another topic, which is the conditionals. Normally conditional sentences are allowed. There are majorly two types of conditional: real conditional and real conditional. Real conditionals means the expression or the factual or habitual condition which have possibility in the future and the present. The things that are going, there is a possibility to be happen. I will go if you give me the ball. There is a chance this thing will be happen. Unreal conditional. It is a hypothetical. It cannot be happen in past and present and future. If I had a car, I would go anywhere. So it is a hypothetical thing. So which is not possible. This is the unreal condition. Now we move to another topic, that is a modifier. Modifiers is nothing but words, phrases, clauses which modifies other words within a sentence. Alex bought a chocolate yesterday. Chocolate cake yesterday. Alex bought a chocolate cake yesterday. This means a chocolate. We consider this as a modifier. Now we go to another topic, determinants. It modifies the nouns and settings and limitations given nouns in its indicates. Give me the book. I had to go to there. Thank you.